Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the SSID in the device name on your Canon PIXMA. So first, when we have our screen on the PIXMA, then we need to go to settings, the gear icon. Now go to the device settings and here go to the LAN settings. Now go to wireless direct and here click settings. Make sure that it's enabled, so make sure that it says on right here, and then you guys will be able to change the SSID / the device name. Now as you guys can see here, we can basically delete it. We can keep on holding and delete it. Now here we can basically do something like that, then click OK, and as you guys can see, now it's processing. So all we gotta do is wait a couple of seconds until it's done. So now it's setting the following, and as you guys can see, when we check the device name, it should be changed. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.